If you can hear me, clap. If you can hear me, say shh. Can I get 3 rock views, please? Thank you. I need everybody's eyes forward, ears open, and mouths closed, please. Okay. I need everybody to please slant. Please slant. So we're seated like a scholar. We're seated at our desk. Our feet are inside our desk. Okay, we're leaning forward, ready to listen. Okay, ready to ask and answer appropriate questions. So far, we're staring out slanted. Everybody's feet should be inside of their desks. Please and thank you. All right, and we are tracking the speaker, which is me. All right, so we are going into our lesson. This is Unit 3, Lesson 13, Session 1. Oh, wait.
Session 3.
Whoops, my bad, guys. This is the wrong one. Should I send this up the wrong one? Send myself the wrong one. Give me a second. Email me stuff too. Alright, if you can hear me, clap once. Try that again. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. Alright, I need everybody's eyes forward, ears open, and mouth closed. Please slant. Alright. We are on Unit 3, Lesson 13, Session 1. This is an explore session, okay? We're using multiplication to convert measurements. Please take out your math folders to assist you with this process. Silas, please put that back. That should have already been turned back in. Miss O, can you pass out the clocks to everyone? All right, so please make sure you take those out. And if at any point during our lesson, you or your group mates need manipulatives, you guys know where they are to grab them to help you, okay? So now, can I get everybody's eyes forward, ears open, and mouths closed?
For this?
The whole package, just have that out, my man. Can I have everybody's eyes forward, ears open, and most importantly, our mouths closed? Please slant. Please slant. Thank you. All right. One, two, three, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Oh, wait, need 100%. 100%. Thank you, London. Thank you, Nevaeh. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Sire. Thank you, Gerard. Gerard, please slant. Equan, please slant. All right. Our learning target for today is to understand how the sizes of measurements and units are related, convert from larger measurement units to a smaller measurement unit, and use a table to show equivalent measurements, okay? Has anybody ever heard of a measurement before? Just raise your hand. You don't have to tell me, straight your hand. You've heard of measurements before. All right. Who can tell me one measurement unit that we use? Christian, what's a measurement unit that you know of that we use?
I forgot the name of it.
Okay. Wait. Cups? That is a measurement unit. Inches.
Ooh.
What's a larger measurement unit that we use for inches? It's larger than inches, but we use inches to find desired. Yards. And what's even smaller than yards, in between yards and inches? Dallas.
I can't say it.
Centimeters? No, that would be a little bit smaller.
Millimeters?
Even smaller? No. We're talking about yards right now. You say yards? You did inches. What? Feet, right? Inches, feet, yards. If you can hear me, clap one. If you can hear me, say shh. All right. So here's our learning goals, our learning intentions, and our success criteria. Like we already talked about in our learning targets. We are learning to understand how measurement units are related to convert between different size units using a table. Our success criteria, I can explain how smaller and larger measurement units are related. I can correctly convert a larger unit into a smaller unit. I can use a table to record and show equivalent measurements accurately. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick would you rather. All right, I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes here. Would you rather have 10 minutes for reading, have 10 days for reading, have 10 seconds for reading, or have 10 hours for reading? And you're gonna pick your letter, class. You're gonna explain it to me on your paper. You're gonna explain it to me on your paper, okay?
Explain why?
Which one you would pick and why? Which one you would pick and why? We should be at a noise level of 0. This is an independent activity. Okay? And you would tell me, right, saying I would rather blank because. Okay? I would rather blank because. And once you get that, you just give me a quick thumbs up. You don't have to make it as detailed as our bell ring. It's just a quick answer. Thank you, sire. Where's our pencil? All right, where's our math notebook? Let's get it out. Get to work, please. All right, you push your thumb down, sir. Thank you, Sonny. Thank you, Rich. Thank you, Zaire. All right, awesome job, awesome job. Mississippi Valley State, you guys have earned a table point. Awesome job, whole group is done. Awesome job, guys. That means now we're at the negative. We're back where we need to be. Moving in the right direction. Okay, 3, 2, 1. On. Sire, you're the first hand I saw. What did you pick?
I chose B because it's very good to read, and if you do 10 days to read, you can get better.
You can get better. 10 days, you can probably finish a book. Okay, we're gonna move on here. William, you're up.
There is no elevated for success. You have to take mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying.
Don't worry about that. Effortful learning. Please just get our piece of paper out. Let's get to work, my man. Okay. Thank you. All right, our learning pit. I wonder, I want to, I bet I can. Whoa, this is more challenging than I expected. I'm not sure I can do this. I don't get it. I'm stuck. I feel frustrated and angry. Sometimes we're there. Let's work together. What tools could I use? I did it, and now I'm wondering. That's our learning pit. Hopefully, we do like Mario kind of hop all the way across, but sometimes we end up in that pit, and that's okay. All right, try it. Emerson hears an announcer on a TV say, "We will return in blank minutes." It takes Emerson blank seconds to wash the dishes. Does he have enough time to wash the dishes before the TV show returns? Well, what is this problem about?
It's about, it does can like.
Dallas, thank you for raising your hand.
It's about does he have enough time to wash the dishes before the TV show returns?
Does he have enough time to wash the dishes before the TV show returns? All right. Is there anything else we noticed up here? William.
I noticed that it says unit of time.
Units of time, right? So we have units of time. All right, awesome, awesome. We're into our second read now. Our second read, guys. Our second read. Okay, so this one, we're going to read it as a class now. Class.
Yes, yes.
At the count of three, we're going to read it together. 1, 2, 3.
Emerson hears the announcer on a TV show say you will return in blank 10 minutes.
Okay, pause there. Now, let's keep going.
It takes Emerson blank seconds to wash the dishes.
Does he have enough time to wash the dishes before the TV show returns?
All right. Now, change the number of minutes until the show returns to the number of seconds to find out. So this is our second read. So what are we trying to find out here?
How much? We have to first find out how much minutes he'll return it. We have to find out. We have to find out how much minutes he's returning in the minutes and how much seconds he takes to wash the dishes.
All right. Great response, Dallas. Great response. Now we're on to our third read. And we're going to ask ourselves with this third read, what information is important? Class.
Yes.
All right, Emerson hears the announcer on a TV show say, we will return in 4 minutes. It takes Emerson 300 seconds to wash the dishes. Does he have enough time to wash the dishes before the show returns? Now, before we answer no, we have to ask ourselves, what information here is important, and how do we change the number of minutes until the show returns? Well, how will we change the number of minutes into seconds? What will we need to do there? Who can tell me? Christian.
So, since a minute is 60 seconds, you have to add 60 seconds to like 4 minutes.
Okay. So what information is important here, Christian?
Information is here, since it's like 300, then it has to be more than 4 minutes.
Okay, we have to, okay. I see it there. Well, we gave a good job now. Our math toolkit, some things we can use are clocks, clock faces. So I gave you a sheet on your desk, these clock faces, 1 sec, to help you with that. Okay? We also have our math reference sheet, our sticky notes, and our multiplication models or charts, all right? Now, class, please stand up.
Can we round together?
Maybe, we'll see. We'll stand up. Okay, we will go ahead and pair up. You will pair up next to your elbow partner. If you do not have an elbow partner, just raise your hand and we'll sort it out. Okay, Monroe, you will partner up with Christian. Let me see. You will partner up with, let's do it this way. Nevaeh, Dallas, and London. You can be a group. Monroe, you will partner with Christian. Equan and Gerard will partner, and Mitchell, you will partner with them over there. Okay. And let's see here. You two will be partners, and you three. So Sonny and Will, Elijah, Morgan, and Nyla. So now that we stand up and we paired up, okay? Partner A, first things first, partner A's. You have 30 seconds. Tell your partner, how would you get started with this question? Partner A's, go ahead. Partner A's.
Partner A is taller.
Yes. Partner A's are always the taller one. Come on, we got a head over there.
I got part of my it has to be less hard.
Go ahead, Sonny. Time's up. Partner B, tell your partner, how would you get started?
I will get started by getting right.
You're just talking about how would you get started?
I will start getting I would for estimation, and I might use it.
All right, can I get 2 Rockies, please? Almost, we did 3 this month. All right, if you can hear me, say shh. Okay, now, please take a seat at a voice level of 0. You will go ahead and you will get started on this independently, okay? Now, we have our unit conversions of time here. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 day is 24 hours. 1 year is 365 days. Or 1 year equals about 52 weeks. You have, I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes. I think you, how about 4? We're going to give you 4 minutes. The same
So we
amount
have
of
to
time
find
you
out
have.
how much units of time it took.
Yes. So, now you're going to solve this. Does he have enough time? I want you to first tell me. Well, how much time is 300 seconds? Once you figure that out, you can tell me. How many minutes is 300 seconds? Then you can tell me, does Emerson have enough time? Does Emerson have enough time? So please, independently, work on that. Noise level of 0, please and thank you. We're okay? All right. Of course, if we need anything else, please use it. This does not sound like a noise level of 0, class. Thank you, Christian. Thank you, Zaire and Rich. We need to get focused. We need to do our work. Zaire, we gotta have our feet inside our desk. Okay, come on. Let's get to it. All right. So I think we can turn around, focus in, and do what we gotta do, okay? Let's not worry about that. Let's do the problem right now. And once you get the answer, you can just give Mr. Bell a thumbs up. My man, look up here. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 60 seconds. He has 4 minutes. So how many seconds does he have in that 4 minutes? How many seconds equals 4 minutes? Of course. Even if you did it in your head, right? We got 1 minute there. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Well, how many seconds are in 4 minutes if 1 minute equals 60?
I think you gotta miss it, but I think
Awesome job, Heaven. Thank you, Nyla. Thank you, William. Thank you, Mitchell. Thumb up. Awesome job, Mitchell. Let me check. We're done?
Me too.
I said 4, but I'll give everybody 5. So, does Emerson have enough time? Yes or no? Tell me your pick. Well, football fans, we're at the 2-minute warning.
Huh?
Yes. You play football, you know, in football, at the end of the game, there's a 2-minute warning. There's a little, like, mini timeout to let you know the last 2 minutes.
Yeah.
One
Now,
time
if
the
you can hear
other
me,
team
say,
won.
so you gotta tell me, does he have enough time? Once you answer, tell me yes or no. I'm looking for the first person to tell me.
I did.
Show me on your paper, not with your voice.
It's right here.
Okay. All right. Raise your hand if you need more time.
I got it.
3, 2, 1. If you can hear me, say shh. If you can hear me, say shh. clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. All right, 5. That was the end of our 5 minutes. So, quick question. How many seconds are in 4 minutes? Zaire, how many seconds are in 4 minutes? Huh? Okay, well, check your paper. That's why you write it down. Kavea, 240 seconds are in 4 minutes. Okay, cool. 240 seconds. How did you know that there's 240 seconds in 4 minutes? How did you know that? 60 plus 64 times, or 60 times 4 would give us 240. So does Emerson have enough time? No. How much more time does he need? How many more? 60 more seconds or 1 more minute. I'm gonna need 1 more minute. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. So, we just talked about, look back, explain it. You just did that before we even got here. Awesome job of how you found out if you had enough time. We just talked about he didn't have enough because he would need another 60 seconds. All right. Great work with that one, everyone. Great work with that one. Okay?
Mr. Bell.
Great job.
Never mind.
Great job. Now we're going to connect it. We're going to connect it now. If you can hear me, say 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
I'll wait for 100%. I almost have 100%. I'm still waiting on 1 or 2 friends. 1 or 2 friends. 1 or 2 friends in the back over this way, gentlemen. Okay. Thank you, everyone who's paying attention, everyone who's on task. I appreciate that. But can we please slam? We got a lot of friends slouching right now. I get it. It's a stormy day, but we got to stay locked in, as they say. All right, look ahead. You already solved the problem about converting units of time from a larger unit to a smaller unit. You can convert larger to smaller units in other systems of measurement, such as length, mass, weight, and liquid volume. Look at the table that shows customary units of weight. These are our units of weight. We have pounds and ounces. We have tons and pounds. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So, name an object that you think is about 1 pound. Take a second on your paper. 30 seconds. Name an object that you think is 1 pound. Any object you think, just take a guess. I don't want you to tell me. Write it on your piece of paper. I'll give you about 30 seconds.
No.
A baby could weigh 1 pound. My cousin was working about 1 pound and a few ounces. Usually they're not though. Class 5.
Yes, yes.
I need a lot less talking, a lot more writing, please.
I know what's going on.
All right, Christian, what you got?
The folder.
Our folder, that weighs about 1 pound. That's a good guess. That's a good guess. Nyla, what you got? A cup? All right. Cheyenne, what'd you pick? You didn't pick anything yet? Quite yet? I'll come back to you, okay? I'll give you a few seconds, okay? Rich, what'd you pick? An eraser, okay, okay. Heaven, what'd you pick? Huh? Not finished? Okay. DJ, what'd you pick? Pencil, okay. All right, now, about how many ounces is that object then? Sonny, about how many ounces is that object that you think is a pound? Zaire. No.
No, that's way.
About how many ounces is that object, Dallas? How'd you know it was 16 ounces? About 16 ounces.
Up there where it shows
Our examples.
Our example, our conversion, right? 16 ounces is about a pound. So if you got a 16-ounce drink, guess what? That drink weighs about a pound. Okay? Now, suppose you had 5 pounds of the object you wrote about in problem 2A. Suppose you had 5 pounds of that object. How could you convert the 5 pounds to the number of ounces? One more time, I'll read that one more time. How could you convert 5 pounds to a number of ounces? How could you do that, Will? Question 2, letter A. So now on your paper, take that 1 pound object. How could you convert it to the number of ounces? Give it your best shot, excuse me. Give it your best shot to convert it. I'll give you about, I don't know, maybe 1 minute. Once you think you've converted it, give me a thumb up.
Wait, Mr. Bell.
Yes.
So are you asking basically 5 pounds of how much is 5 pounds of 1 pound?
How many ounces would that be? So if we have 5 pound object, how many ounces would that be if we converted that to ounces? We have it? We have it? Let me check it out. We do.
Well, I think we did 16.5.
Okay, and what that give you?
80.
My man, awesome job. You have that too?
Yeah, we did.
I did.
Awesome job, awesome job. You got that too?
I told her to do 16.
Awesome job, Sonny. Awesome job, Dallas. Awesome job, Nevaeh. Yes, yes, awesome job there. Okay, awesome job. And for my friends that are like, hey, what are they talking about? Here, this is what they did, class 5.
Yes, yes.
Can I get everybody's eyes on me, please? Everybody. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. Please slant. Please slant. I need everybody up. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on me.
Okay, so we found out through our table that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 pound. 1 pound equals about 16 ounces. So what we did here was we decided to do some math. So Dallas said, hey, well, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. The question asks us for 5 pounds. Maybe I should just multiply 16 times 5. And we can do this conversion. It's called a conversion. Everyone say conversion.
Conversion.
We're doing a conversion right now. So we got 5 times 6. What does that give us?
And 5 times 6 gives us 30.
30. 30. 5 times 6 is the same thing as saying 5 ones times 6 ones, and that would equal 30. Okay? Now, what about 5 times 1 up here? So we put a 0 here. Why didn't you go put a 0 there?
Because we go hold our place
Hold our placeholder, because we're not multiplying in the ones now.
We're going to the 10.
We're going to the 10, so now we have 5 ones times what?
1. Wait,
1 1?
No, 0.
What place value is this class? Ones?
10. 1 10.
So we have 5 ones times 1,
10.
10. Ladies, let's focus, please. And how much is 5 ones times 1 10?
5. 6.
50, really. But 1 times 5 is 5, so we have 50 here. Now, what's 0 plus 0 class?
0.
3 plus 5?
8.
So we have 80. Okay, that's how we got our answer there. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. Oh, let's try that again. That was not good at all. We can do much better than that. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. OMG, we're 10 minutes late. So,
10 minutes.
if you can hear me, say all right, awesome job, everyone. Please stand, please line up. It's time for lunch.